In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to pay with a Cash App QR code. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As long as you have enough balance on your Cash App account, you will be able to scan any QR code compatible with Cash App to make and manage payments. You can use the balance that you have or pay with the Cash App card. Regardless of which option you pick, all that you have to do to pay with Cash App on any QR code that you see is to open the app, sign into your account, and on the home page at the top left corner of the screen, you will find this option that I've highlighted here with an arrow. When you tap this little square, you will be immediately prompted to give Cash App camera permissions. You will be able to point your camera towards the QR code to have it scanned. Once you scan any QR code that is compatible with the app, you will see all the details about the transfer. If you are paying someone else, you will see their contact information, or if you are at a store or retailer, you will be able to manage and make a payment. Make sure that you give it camera permissions and that you either have enough balance or that your Cash App card is properly set up and activated. As long as Cash App can access your camera and you get a clear view of the QR code, it should immediately pop up and give you all the credentials about the payment that you are about to make. If you encounter any issues while trying to do this, restart the app, double check the permissions, or you can contact our customer support. If you want to share your QR code in order for others to make payments to you, you can also switch by tapping on the option at the bottom of the scan window. As you can see, you can switch it from scan to my code, which will allow other users to give Cash App camera permissions and scan your own QR code so they can make payments for you. I hope I was able to help you on how to pay with Cash App QR code. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.